Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a brochure on Canva. So there are a few different types of brochures you might want to make, but they're usually used for showing off your products or what your business does, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So open up Canva. Then we're going to click on the left hand side on templates. I'm going to type in the search bar brochure, and lots of professionally designed templates will come up. So you can choose any of these and click on them and edit them to be your own. So you can put in your own business information, your own images, your own text, things like that. If you have a specific brochure you want to make, so something like a travel brochure, maybe you can type that into the search bar and get shown specific travel brochures. So as you can see, a lot of them have multiple pages where you can like promote the different trips for your travel business. So I quite like this one. It's got like why travel with us and top destinations and information about how to get in touch. So this can be shared on social media or on your website. So I'm going to click on that one, then click on customize this template. Then a new page will open with the travel brochure in, and this is where it's down to you to do some editing. So you can usually change up just about every part of the brochure. So I can click on that background, say I didn't like that color. I could change the background color. Maybe I wanted it, I don't know, like a light gray or something, or green. And you can change it all across the whole brochure if you like a color. If you didn't like that, you can just click back to change the color back. You can go in, you can edit the text, change the fonts, obviously put in your own information about why travel with us, what you do. Then of course you can add in your own pictures. So all you need to do is click on upload and upload your own photos, or if you haven't got any, you just click on photos and type in like keywords for what you want, and you can just drag and drop these photos on top of the others and change them all up, things like that. You might want to change something like that. And yeah, just go ahead, edit everything. If you don't like the little graphics, you can delete them and search for new like travel graphics, things like that. Just type in travel and see what comes up. You could add in things like that and drag and drop them to make them the right size, delete other graphics. Just keep going, edit everything until you get it exactly how you like it. It's just so easy with Canva, even if you're not like a graphic designer. So when you're happy, give your brochure a name, then click on share and you can download it. So click on download. Canva will suggest a PNG and you can download both pages and share that on your social media. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.